一闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是相思曲，它在天空放光明。一闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是相思曲，它在天空放光明。闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是相思。Why do people say Mathare is ignored corner? Why do flies love dirty places? Why is my world different from what I see from the television? My name is Mariana Teno Nyango. I was born in Nairobi, in Mathare. I am 11 years old. There's a lot of things that I don't understand. My mom told me I will get to know more when I go to school.
We'll have 5 plus. 5 times 4, do you get? 7.
But I'm more confused after going to school. Mathare Light Center. This is where I study. It sounds to be a bright place. But why is our classroom so dark? I remember when I was in class 2.
Hi everyone.
Headmaster David came with some strangers to our classroom.
Nice to meet you. I come from China.
China? I heard of China.
Can you read with me? 中国 China.
These Chinese teachers not only teach us knowledges from the books, they also teach us lots of things out of the books.
Can you guess how many hours I need to spend? Lanzhou, all the way to Kenya, is about 11 hours.
I was amazed by how big the world is. Later, we had free meals in our school. The headmaster told us that the free meals were also bought by the Chinese teachers. And we had meat every Thursday. I love meat. I think I will learn from the Chinese teachers, although I still don't understand why they help us. Help other people and bring happiness to others. Now, Mathare Light Center has remained as Changrong Light Center. The teacher told us Changrong means forever prosperous in Chinese, and light literally means hope. Why do people say Mathare is ignored corner? I think I've got the answer. We have angels around us. No matter what skin it is, they take hope to every corner of the world. Mathare is not forgotten.